So today I'm speaking on a subject. It has nothing to do with landscaping, but it is posing a risk to the gardeners who are working on this median. We have worked on this median for many years. I've looked after the gardens of Panjim for nearly 15 years. So I know how the crack is increasing. When it had started off, it was hardly one, but today you can see it's nearly 4 to 5 inches, and the entire human leg of the gardener can go inside. The full leg can go inside, and this is very, very dangerous for the gardeners who are working on this. So it is basically call to attention. Why is this crack increasing, and if something can be done about it? Thank you.